Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your CapCut project. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we can select one that we want to work on. And then in the editing menu, if we scroll in the bottom bar to the right, we find the stickers button. We tap on it, and then we are going to be presented with different kinds of sticker options. Text and other stickers are in this category. From this we can select the ones that we want to add to our project, and then after adding them and after tapping OK, we can continue on with other adjustments. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.